In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board to another Trello workspace. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks and projects, and knowing how to copy a board from one workspace to another can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive into this simple yet valuable skill. First, ensure that you're logged into Trello and navigate to the board that you wish to copy. It's important to be on the actual board that you want to replicate, because the copying process involves capturing all the details of this board. Once you're on the board, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see three little dots lined up vertically. This icon typically represents a menu with more options, and that's precisely what it is in Trello. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This will open up a menu with various options related to the board you're currently viewing. Take a moment to browse through these options as they can be quite handy. However, for our task today, what you're looking for is the option that says Copy Board. This option will allow you to make an exact replica of the current board, maintaining all its structures intact. Next, click on Copy Board. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your new copied board. You might want to give it a unique name that helps you easily distinguish it from the original. After you've decided on a suitable title, you'll be asked to choose the target workspace. This is where the new board will reside after you've copied it. If you're part of several workspaces, make sure you pick the correct one, as this will dictate who has access to the board. Moving forward, there's an optional step to consider. Trello gives you the option to choose whether you'd like to keep all the cards and templates from the original board. Depending on your needs, you can opt to keep or omit these elements. If you're working on a project that requires the same tasks or template cards, you may want to leave this option checked. However, if you're looking for a fresh start with just the structure, feel free to uncheck it. Once you've made your decisions, simply click on Create. And just like that, you've successfully copied your Trello board to another workspace. All the structures and any specific elements you chose to include will be there, ready for you or your team to start using. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. You've mastered the skill of copying a board to another Trello workspace, making your project management smoother and more efficient. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy organizing with Trello.